What's up, everybody? Welcome back. In this module, we're going to be talking about creating our B account sequence. So our semi-personalized sequence that we can schedule um, and have it scale. So in Untap Your Sales Potential, Ian provided a template that has been extremely successful, and we're going to use that in our prompt to develop a very similar template for our product, for our solution, and I will show you how to do that. Let me share my screen. All right. So the workbook that we're working off of is called Create a Semi-Personalized Sequence. So use AI to create a highly effective semi-personalized email sequence, leveraging the best practices from Untap Your Sales Potential. So we're going to start out in Bing Chat, and we're going to get some context into what our product is. Then we're going to pull that into ChatGPT, and we're going to create a sequence that looks like this. So this is actually the exact sequence that Ian provided in his course. So email one, I think it's 8 or 7 different emails. So the idea is we share a point of view up front, then we give more specifics on how we can help in email number two. Then we share a customer story with some key metrics in email number three. Then we do an ROI study in email number four. We share some trends in email number five, and then we invite them to a webinar, and then we close it pretty much saying, hey, if you guys are not interested, like let me know, and I'll move on to other opportunities. So this is obviously very specific to Full Story, the customer that he had, but we need to tailor it to us, to our product. So this specific prompt will allow you to do that. So I'll walk you through it real quick.